Hello there, my friends. We had a slight technical issue, it would seem, and we're back again. So we'll get some more of that screw out so that I've got enough of a head on it that I can unscrew it with my slippery plastic oily gloves. And there, that goes in. Now that we have that done, we can remove this black top part, if it will come, and it may not. So what we'll do is we'll remove this bottom part. This bottom part is connected by those screws that we just removed. So there are no screws or threads holding this in, and it actually came apart nice and easy. And there you can see there's some gunk there where my left thumb is. These are dirty. The top is dirty. The worm gear teeth, they are dirty. They meet up there with that worm gear in there. Where is it? Ah, it's in there. So that'll get a wash. Now these rascals, we're able to dislodge this gently. And it's not cooperating. So we are going to get a pair of pliers. And we're just going to latch onto that gently and see if we can move it, pull it up a little bit. Okay, there. I'll take that. There's some movement. And then now they're coming apart. So let me put this back a bit. And taking them off the bottom, we see a number, right? The number isn't on the bottom. There's the bottom disc. And so we slide it away or pull it away, and we see it says number 1. Then we take the next one, which is kind of stuck. Look at the grunge there, you know? No wonder these poor rascals are stuck. Where's my other device? Let me try this. Okay, there, I think I got it to move a bit. I did, because I can tell, whoopsie daisy, the black cover is out. Can I keep pulling them off the bottom? I can, to a point. This one says number 2, facing up. Let me get that there. That moved a bit. So there, I got that out. And it goes. And we still, whoopsie daisy, coming off the bottom next, we should have number 2. Then we have a grimy number 3. Ditto, grimy number 4. And a grimy number 5. And a number 6. And a number 7. That's the top one. So we'll put those there for now, and we'll get the hand wheel and just while I'm at it, I found some more cleaning tools at the dollar store. These things, they're pretty skinny. Cost me $2 Canadian, so less than $2 American at the dollar store. And there are these little things. They come with a little handle, and they're pretty flexible. So you get 3 of those for a couple bucks. And then there's my old standby, the baby bottle washer. I'm not going to open this one right now, but that's what I also picked up. Just did some extra supplies. And I'm trying to find my spring washer tool, and I did. So let's get on this hand wheel. I keep threatening to do something with it. Oopsie daisy. There's the spring washer. You know what, I want to get some of this out of here. There, so we got the spring washer. And now off comes the Tectonite gear. And we can see some dirt in there. Right there. You know, typical kind of half hard or half wet gunk. So we're able to pull that right out. But I mean, that's no surprise. And so that's pretty much, now there is a spring in there, another spring in there. And what I notice is that this spring, its open end is on that post. This spring isn't, and there's a post there. And there's also a space here between all of that. And I wonder if this is the way it's supposed to be. What just came off of here? So it may have been that this hole gets occupied by this nib sticking up right here. But anyway, everything's nice and dirty in there, so I'll take a good look at that for now, the way that spring is. Now what I need to know is, which way is this facing? Is it up or is it down? I guess all that matters is that when you look at it with the 2 nibs down, the one on the left is that gets the washer. This one gets the other nib from the other part, from the gear. So that's simple enough. So let's see if we can get this out. Oh yeah, we just pulled that off with our finger. So there's another one. And so now we've got a little bit of dirt there. So we're gonna have a good time cleaning this all up. And I'm gonna stop right there, my friends. It'll be another video for cleaning that up and putting it back together again. And we'll also, when we clean that next time, we'll clean that. So we'll get those 2 things done. unless something else comes up. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support, your viewing, your subscribing, your liking. So, it all helps these machines. It all helps the channel. The machines are the channel. Jebb Adams is just the messenger, you know, the facilitator. Thanks. Keep safe. Have fun. Be happy.